Gaga, hindi tayo kilala.
Kami ang X-Men
What the
3!
shit?
Ako, si Wolverine.
At ako naman si Psycho.
At ako naman, si Midnight Crawler.
Nga dati kami mga lalaki, ngayon girl na kami, kaya X-Men na.
What in the fuck knuckles is this?
A few moments later.
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them